Nobody in the whole garden expected a tiny purple dragon to pop out from under the sunflowers, especially not from a sparkling, glowing egg. The dragon blinked big, curious eyes and stretched delicate wings that shimmered like violet candy wrappers. Sunflowers waved gently in the breeze, as if greeting their new neighbor, while the dragon gave a little sneeze, and out floated a shiny, rainbow bubble. Each time the dragon tried to roar or laugh, more bubbles hiccuped out, swirling and popping in the air. The dragon waddled through the tall grass, puzzled. Why couldn't it breathe fire like the dragons in the stories whispered by the wind? It found a sleepy ladybug napping on a leaf and asked, "Why do I only hiccup bubbles?" The ladybug yawned and said, "Maybe you need to find the source of your magic. Things that glow are always hiding secrets." Determined, the dragon followed a trail of sparkling petals that seemed to lead deeper under the sunflower patch, hiccuping bubbles with every step. Along the way, a curious mouse joined in, riding on a bubble and giggling as he floated beside the dragon. Together, they found a little door hidden at the base of the tallest sunflower, just big enough for a tiny dragon to squeeze through. Inside, the roots glowed with the same light as the dragon's egg. A wise old worm smiled and said, "You hatched from a sunflower egg, so your magic is gentle and joyful. Bubbles bring happiness and laughter, which is a special kind of power." The dragon beamed, realizing its bubbles were a gift, not a mistake. From then on, the garden was filled with laughter and shimmering bubbles, and the purple dragon knew it was exactly what it was meant to be.